How to order and buy on TikTok Shop. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually buy items on your TikTok account. Let's get started. So first, on your mobile device, what you're going to do is to simply open your TikTok application. Once open, here down below you can actually see a panel. All you need to do is to click on the shop button. Now once you've clicked on the shop button, you will be routed in this page right here. Now, you can actually click on the search button if you would like to check out a specific item, or you could also scroll down. Say, for example, we would like to buy this cap right here. So tap on the item, and afterwards, you can see Add to Cart below. Click on Add to Cart. Now, all you need to do is to choose a color if there are actually variations. Say, for instance, we're going to have the navy blue, and then input the quantity. If you want to add more, click the plus button. But if you want to delete or decrease the number of items that you would want to buy, then click on the subtract button. Now hit on confirm, and basically you have added it to your cart. Now what you're going to do is you could click on the buy now section, and there it will show you the same process, and here you will see your order summary, the total, the payment method that you're going to use, and then hit on place order afterwards, and there you can successfully buy your product on TikTok. That's about it for today's video. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.